It's a great privilege to welcome you and our virtual visitors from around the globe to Springfield, Ohio. This is truly a pioneering celebration of aviation and aerospace in the spirit of Ohio's own Wright brothers. We celebrate Ohio's partnership with the Air Force. This is an amazing effort and demonstrates the significant opportunities that abound in aerospace and defense for Ohio. AFWERX, the Air Force's Agility Prime program, and the lift aircraft that we see today represent the emergence of incredible technology that has the potential to transform our lives, just as the Wright brothers did more than 117 years ago. J.P. Nassif, thanks for all that you, as well as Elaine Bryant, the City of Springfield, the Dayton Development Coalition, and all your partners are doing to make Ohio the center of advanced aerospace. And I want to extend a special welcome to Matt Chasin, the Chief Executive Officer of Lyft, and to his entire team. These urban air mobility concepts open a new world of flight in our daily lives. This type of aircraft opens the incredible possibilities of highly interconnected cities and ultra-short-range air travel. This truly can revolutionize our commercial world. But really, there's an amazing intersection and merging of military and civilian airspace technologies like autonomous control systems, electric propulsion, and advanced materials and manufacturing techniques, all areas in which Ohio excels. The partnership of the Air Force and Ohio with the various contractors who are working to revolutionize air mobility is the essence of the success we celebrate here. Even in today's highly interconnected world, proximity really matters. The arrival and reveal of Lyft Corporation's HEXA aircraft here in Ohio highlights the importance of proximity to all the amazing engineers and acquisition professionals working together in synergy to achieve a common goal. This truly represents the critical importance of proximity. Proximity to the Air Force Research Labs and Wright-Patterson's acquisition and airworthiness expertise, and to Ohio's Unmanned Aircraft Systems Center and our SkyVision capabilities here in Springfield. This magnificent unveiling event signifies the presence by yet another industry leader in Ohio. We are open for business as Ohio will indeed lead the nation into the aerospace age of the 21st century. Thank you so much.
Hi, and welcome to Ohio. What an exciting day here at the Springfield-Beckley Municipal Airport. We welcome the Lyft Aircraft Company and their HEXA. This is HEXA's Ohio debut, and we are thrilled to welcome Lyft to our growing number of eVTOL companies here in the state. The unveiling of HEXA represents the continued tradition started by the Wright brothers in aviation. Ohio is also known for its innovation, research, development, and manufacturing. The state has been instrumental in the advancement of unmanned aerial systems and has been laying the foundation for advanced air mobility. 9 months ago, AFWERX Agility Prime kicked off a collaboration across the Department of Defense, industry, government, and local communities to secure this industrial base and advance this commercial technology. And here we are now, unveiling the first eVTOL in Ohio. To commemorate this event, you will hear from state, regional, and Air Force leadership in addition to the Lyft aircraft team. Enjoy the unveiling, and we can't wait to see you all in Springfield, Ohio.
Thanks for the opportunity to talk to you today about the exciting work that AFWERX is doing under our Agility Prime program. AFWERX has recently done some pretty significant adjustments as we have moved under the Air Force Material Command and in particularly under the Air Force Research Laboratory. These are new partnerships, but AFWERX is all about partnerships. In particular, partnerships with industry, partnerships with our airmen and guardians across the force, and partnerships with state and local governments. And so today is an exciting day because we are seeing that partnership come to life. First with the state and local government here in Ohio, and secondly with Lyft, who is bringing their first electric flying vehicle to Ohio. So these partnerships are critical in our success in doing the AFWERX mission of accelerating exciting commercial technologies in ways that both bolster our commercial markets and provide capability to our operators across the Department of the Air Force. Fortunately, we've got a fantastic partner with Ohio with phenomenal work that they've been doing over the years to posture themselves for this new and exciting advanced air mobility market. Lyft has also been building their particular aircraft. This aircraft was first demonstrated for the Air Force in Austin, just a few miles from downtown, to our secretary and our chief. And now it's here with the Air Force for some of the first flight testing following their airworthiness that we are currently assessing internal to the Air Force Materiel Command. So congratulations to Lyft on their milestones. Congratulations to Ohio. Congratulations to Springfield for this new partnership. And thank you all for being fantastic partners with AFWERX.
Ohio has a unique heritage of leadership on the past and present of aerospace, and the Agility Prime program presents a real opportunity for Ohio to continue that leadership into the future. As we join Lyft Aircraft today, it serves to advance Ohio's leadership in the growing air mobility industry, which is part of a vibrant federal, military, and aerospace sector. And working closely with our 6 network partners and the DeWine administration, our mission includes investing in the infrastructure, businesses, and human capital to make it all come together. Today is a perfect example of this mission brought to life. This program also demonstrates Ohio's ability to inspire and cultivate innovation beyond the corners of our state. The partnership with Lyft Aircraft signifies a statewide opportunity and takes us back to our roots as the birthplace of aviation. Ohio continues to be a prime location for these very unique and impactful partnerships, fostering collaboration between the private sector businesses like Lyft Aircraft, the public sector at all levels, including the Air Force's Agility Prime Program Office, the Air Force Research Laboratory, and Lifecycle Management Center, NASA, the Ohio Department of Transportation at the state level, and many universities and many economic development partners, including the Dayton Development Coalition, and local government jurisdictions like the City of Springfield, and many more. While 2020 challenged all of us as a nation, a state, and as individuals, Ohio and Ohioans stood out. We rolled up our collective sleeves and got to work, helping one another. But we continued to explore the shining light of opportunity. And we firmly believe Ohio, through these partnerships, adding hard work and building on our heritage, will continue to play a meaningful role in what comes next.
We are excited to welcome Lyft Aircraft and the HEXA to the Dayton region. This truly highlights the importance of proximity to all the amazing engineers and acquisition professionals working in our state and region to help develop Lyft's technology and achieve flight. The Dayton region has amazing partnerships, and no bigger than Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, having the headquarters of the Air Force Materiel Command, Air Force Lifecycle Management Center, Air Force Research Lab, and the National Air and Space Intelligence Center shows why so many companies continue to come to Dayton and grow. Wright-Pat is the largest single-site employer in Ohio with more than 32,000 employees inside the fence and thousands of other base-related jobs right outside the fence. Wright-Pat has an economic impact of over $15.5 billion and growing. And this is yet another reason why you should join this amazing ecosystem. We invite others to come to Springfield to take advantage of the Sky Vision capabilities in the Ohio UAS Center. Ohio is poised to lead this country in the air mobility industry.
AFRL is happy to welcome Lift Aircraft to AFWERX Agility Prime program and the Springfield Beckley Airport, which is in close proximity to the Air Force Research Lab, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, and the Life Cycle Management Center. AFWERX is the newest member of our Air Force Research Laboratory family, and their mission is to accelerate innovation in the commercial enterprise, and particularly the air mobility aircraft, or the flying car. The relatively low cost of these air vehicles has allowed us to partner with companies such as Lift Aviation, Joby, and Beta Technologies through small business innovative research contracts. Agility Prime leverages the strengths of the Air Force, such as test ranges, safety certifications, and it allows us to build confidence in these technologies and accelerate commercialization. Together, we are paving the way with AFRL and the Ohio community to developing an innovative capability with both military and commercial benefits.
I want to thank Brigadier General Heather Pringle, the Air Force Research Lab, and the AFWERX team, along with the Jobs Ohio and the Dayton Development Coalition for the invitation to participate in this event, where we get a chance to highlight the partnership between the Air Force, state and local governments, and commercial industry to accelerate innovative technologies. Today, we welcome Lift Aerospace to the area and are happy to see their HEXA aircraft being unveiled as part of the Agility Prime program. Agility Prime represents a tremendous opportunity for the Air Force to support and leverage our nation's commercial industrial base. As the Air Force Program Executive Officer charged with supporting the successful transition of these systems from initial operations to fully fielded systems, I couldn't be more excited about the establishment of the simulator facilities by our industry partners Beta and Joby, and now the rollout of the Lift HEXA eVTOL aircraft at the Springfield Airport. The ability of the logistics engineering teams in the Mobility and Training Aircraft Directorate to have in-person access to these leaders in the advanced air mobility vehicles will help shape the revolutionary sustainment and training concepts the Air Force must develop to take full advantage of these capabilities have to offer. In addition, these interactions will foster innovation across mobility enterprise. Ultimately, these air mobility vehicles will allow us to provide our warfighting customers new capabilities at the speed of relevance. I look forward to getting out to the Springfield Airport in the not too distant future to see the HEX aircraft in person.
Hi, such an honor to be here with you all today. I'm Matt Chasen, CEO and founder of Lift Aircraft. Today, we've brought one of our first production aircraft to Ohio from our headquarters in Austin, Texas. In fact, I believe this is the first production electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft to be delivered on site here in Ohio. Over the next few months, we'll be working very closely with the Air Force's Agility Prime team, as well as the Air Force Research Lab, State of Ohio, Springfield Beckley Airport, and Clark State University on testing and demonstrating the capabilities of eVTOL aircraft. To think that we'll be testing and developing our HEXA aircraft right where the Wright brothers first tested their groundbreaking new aircraft 117 years ago is incredibly exciting for us. This place has a deep legacy in flight, and we're incredibly honored to be part of it. And the state of Ohio has so much to offer as well. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base and the Air Force Research Lab are nearby, both offering tremendous expertise in flight test. The great facilities here at Springfield Beckley Airport, specifically for developing and testing electric VTOL aircraft, where we'll be doing that alongside other extraordinary companies like Beta and Joby. And Clark State University has provided us with an incredible hangar, heated, which is important this time of year. We'll be calling home here for our HEXA aircraft over the next several months. And we're excited to give their students and staff an up-close look at HEXA. And there's incredible possibilities for future research partnerships in Ohio with APEX and OFRN. And of course, we'll be working closely with the Jobs Ohio team to explore future workforce possibilities in Ohio. So we appreciate all of their support in this event in particular. Again, we're very honored to be here in Ohio. We hope this is the start of an important partnership with the state and with the Air Force's Agility Prime program. So thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us. This is an exciting opportunity for Ohio. As director of the Ohio UAS Center facilitating the new vertical landing takeoff technologies, I am excited for a great company like Lift Aircraft Incorporated to locate aircraft and resources here in Ohio at the Springfield-Beckley Airport, supporting our mission to enhance new aviation technologies in the birthplace of aviation. The Ohio UAS Center is part of the Ohio Department of Transportation's Drive Ohio initiative, which is focused on the future of mobility on the ground and in the air. As part of its core mission, the Ohio Department of Transportation, we are tasked with the safe and efficient movement of people and goods within the state. As part of Drive Ohio, the Ohio UAS Center is concentrated on enabling these new aerial mobility technologies to enhance our transportation networks to form a true three-dimensional concept of highways in the sky. As a leader in Ohio's Fly Ohio initiative, in conjunction with Drive Ohio, the Ohio UAS Center sees Lift Aviation's decision to locate some of its assets for research and development, supporting Agility Prime, as important success factors in achieving our goals. With our award-winning SkyVision and Ohio asset, in collaboration with the Air Force Research Labs located at Springfield-Beckley Airport, we are excited to provide support of this new and enhanced mode of transportation. It is our goal to maintain Ohio's rich aviation legacy, to provide safe and efficient means of travel whether you are on the ground or in the air, and are honored to provide integral services to Lift Aircraft and Agility Prime. Thank you.
On behalf of the people of Springfield, it is my honor to welcome Lift Aircraft to the Springfield-Beckley Airport. The Lift aircraft and flight simulators are a welcome addition to the technology and innovation for which Springfield and the Dayton region are widely known. Springfield, Ohio has a rich tradition of being home to innovation and exciting beginnings. In 1904, Wilbur Wright traveled the interurban from Dayton to Springfield to meet with the acclaimed patent attorney Harry Tooman. Mr. Tooman put the patent's focus on the plane's three-axis flight controls rather than the aircraft itself. The result was a solid patent issued May 22, 1909, that withstood many challenges and secured the Wright brothers as the official inventors of the aircraft. The Springfield-Beckley Airport has long supported the nation's defense efforts as host to the Ohio Air National Guard. The Joint Use Airport is proud to be home to the 178th Wing, which has flown the MQ-9 Reaper mission since 2017. Supporting the evolution of the Guard's mission from F-16s to remote-controlled pilot aircraft has kept Springfield-Beckley on the cutting edge of the aerospace technology. Springfield's partnership with the state of Ohio and the Air Force Research Laboratory led to the development of a ground-based detect and avoid air radar system named SkyVision. In 2019, the FAA granted the Air Force Research Lab the permission to employ SkyVision to allow beyond visual line of sight flight on the Springfield Beckley Airport. The waiver was the first of its kind for both small and large unmanned aerial systems flying in unrestricted airspace. Now we are at the dawn of a new age of aircraft innovation. Our prime location within Southwest Ohio's airspace ecosystem and close proximity to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base positions us well to assist the Air Force Agility Prime effort in partnership with AFWERX. We are excited to welcome LIFT and its team of flight test engineers and support crew, and look forward to supporting the advancement of air mobility and LIFT's vision for launching the world's first personal vertical flying experience.
Clark State students, faculty, and staff are always excited about innovation in programs and job placement, but we're really excited that this will happen in our own backyard at the Springfield Airport. Clark State fully supports the work of AFWERX, LIFT, and Agility Prime through our manufacturing programs, our UAS programs, and our data analysis programs. Please know that Clark State will do everything to support the growth of these industries in our region, and we are always here for all of our stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Well, it does go back to our heritage. The Wright brothers designed and built the powered flying aircraft based on the vision that they had. It uses the same innovation, ingenuity, hard work that Ohioans have become known for.
This just marks the continued legacy of what the Wright brothers started very early on in our Ohio history, and Ohio's been known for inventors.
Americans have been fascinated by the prospect of flying cars.
The future is bright. The future is right here in Dayton, Ohio.
Today, we've brought one of our first production aircraft to Ohio from our headquarters in Austin, Texas. We're very honored to be here in Ohio. We hope this is the start of an important partnership with the state and with the Air Force's Agility Prime program.